Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Well, Uber stock is tumbling as they are facing a massive lawsuit from over 10,000 drivers, okay? This is next level horrible for Uber. So if you're an Uber driver, I would be pissed. And also, I'm gonna talk about how you can potentially get involved in this lawsuit or another one against Uber as well. And potentially, I mean, these drivers could be getting $25,000 each who are involved in this case. And if you missed out on this one, don't worry, there's gonna be more. So before we jump in, if you are interested in making more money, there is an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a Faceless YouTube channel, all right? This is something I've been doing for over 5 years. And if you take a look at my earnings so far this year, you know, it's only May. I've been bringing in over 10,000 bucks a month. And if you go to last year I brought over $120,000 in, you know, making over $1,000 a day sometimes. And yeah, that's just what I've been doing. And that's how I was able to buy this house, by doing YouTube and the Faceless YouTube channel method. So I have a link below, and once you sign up, and there's a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out. Once you sign up, guys, go to login and then go to my programs, and you can watch all the material on how to set up your own Faceless YouTube channel and start generating thousands and thousands of dollars per month. And you know, it could really change your life like it did for me. It's how I got out of debt. It's how I paid off my car, how I bought a house in Southern California for over $1 million. You know, it just changed my life. And I've already taught so many people how to do it. I'm gonna wanna show you too. I know so many of you guys watching it. And it's like, you don't need any experience at all. So try it out, link below, 30-day free trial. Listen to this, over 10,000 cabbies are suing Uber. So this is in London amid allegations of rule bending. Huh, Uber doing rule bending. Wow, big shocker. Stock tumbles 21%. This is literally on Benzinga, which is one of my biggest trusted news sources for stocks. This is what Nick Chahin averages with his options buy. Oh, over 10,000 black cab drivers in London have initiated a $300 million lawsuit against Uber earlier this month. Amidst these challenges, Uber's financial performance remains volatile, with its stock price recently dropping 21% over 2 months. So everybody's saying, oh, you know, protests don't work, protests don't work. Yeah, they're working, okay? And Uber's getting sued, all right? Now, I wonder if Donald Trump, what he would do to Uber, because, you know, if he ends up winning the next presidency, I'll be shocked to see how he handles Uber and Lyft and all these companies that are screwing over drivers, because we all know Joe Biden ain't doing a dang thing, and he's all in favor of pushing, you know, to electric cars and all this BS. And it's like, now California is trying to require Uber and Lyft drivers. Well, they already signed a law saying that drivers by 2030, rideshare drivers have to buy electric cars to drive for Uber and Lyft. Like, are you joking me? These liberal, like, they don't realize that drivers cannot afford to buy electric cars. What a joke. Uber and Lyft, I think, are gonna end up leaving California because it's, you know, that state. I mean, I'm in California for now. I might end up leaving California though. Drivers argue that Uber allowed direct bookings, bypassing the required centralized dispatch system for minicabs. This, they claim, gave Uber an unfair advantage and caused substantial financial losses for traditional cabbies. So yeah, drivers are really upset. The cab drivers in London are suing Uber and Lyft, but we'll see what happens. So I'll keep you guys updated. Again, if you want to join my program down below for the Faceless YouTube channel, again, this is just what I earned last year. You can see over 10,000 bucks a month. This is just, you know, steady income, over 1,000 bucks a day on a lot of days. And you know, this is just on one channel. I have several other channels. This was the last year, 365 days, 130K. And you know, you can just click on some of these months. I made over 30 grand in a month, 20 grand in a month. This is just YouTube, guys. And I have other channels too. So click the link below. And again, once you sign up for the 30-day free trial, you're gonna go to my programs and click on the program, and you'll see exactly how to set up your own Faceless channel, and I will help you. I will guide you. You can message me on that link below, and I will help grow your channel with you, walk you through it step by step, day by day if I have to, whatever we gotta do to get you successful, all right? Because I know you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon. God bless.